Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change background color in MetaTrader 4 mobile application. To change the background color in the MetaTrader 4 app, open your MetaTrader 4 application from your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside the homepage of MetaTrader 4, tap on the chart option at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to see your chart option on the screen. Go ahead and tap on the background. Just select the background of your chart and you will see this interface popping up at the bottom. Now select Settings from the list. Inside Settings, you will see the chart option where you can tap on Colors at the bottom. Choose the Scheme option at the top and select the color scheme that you prefer. Some of the options are black on white, green on black, and custom. Choose any one option. I'm gonna select green on black. After you do so, you will be able to change your background color on your MetaTrader 4 charts. So that is how you can easily change your background color in MetaTrader 4. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more MetaTrader 4 tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.